Welcome to solverfy.
We have to solve two problems. In the first problem, we have to determine the oxidation state of chromium in a compound with known molecular weights, in a compound with a known weight fractions of each element. So here we have a compound which has a formula of Kx, chromium Y, oxygen Z. And now let's calculate X, Y, and Z. So X equals to the molecular weight of let's do the following. So let's express weight percentage of potassium in this compound. Or let's presume that we have 100 grams of let's presume that we have 100 grams of this unknown material. So let's write it down. Here we have 100 grams of this salt. Then we have 26, actually 100.00, let's be precise. We have 26.58 grams of potassium, 35.44 grams of chromium, and 37.97 grams of oxygen. Now let's convert it to the number of moles. So number of moles of potassium equals to 26.58 over molecular weight of potassium, which I'm going to find now. It equals to 39.10. Number of moles of chromium equals to 35.45 grams over molecular weight of chromium, which I have to find as well. It equals to 52.00 grams per mole. And number of moles of oxygen equals to 37.97 grams divided by 16.00 grams per mole. Now let's calculate this number of moles for each compound. Per each element. So for chromium it is 0.6798 moles. For chromium this is, for potassium this is this number. For chromium this is 0.6817 moles, and for oxygen it is 2.37 3 mole. So now, okay, we've calculated these numbers, and now we can make the following proportion: x over y over z equals to the corresponding number of moles we share, 0.6798 to 0.6817 to 2.373. So let's choose a minimum of this. This is this number of moles. So then x to y to z equals to 1 to, okay, this ratio is also roughly 1. Yeah, this ratio of 0.6817 over 0.6798 is roughly 1. And the last one, which is oxygen, is 3.5. So here we have the ratios, and as we see, this one is not integer. Oxygen is not integer. Therefore, we have to multiply it by 2. Then we have a ratio numbers of 2, 2, and 7, and the formula is potassium 2, chromium 2, O7. It means that oxidation state of chromium is plus 6, because this is minus 2, so overall negative charge is minus 14. This is plus 1, so, and this has to be plus 6 to balance the charge. So then the answer to this first question is, yeah, basically the last one, which is plus 6. Okay, this one is done. Let's move on and let's solve the next problem, which is we have 591 milliliters of Gatorade solution, which has 35 grams of sugar. The sugar is glucose, and we have to calculate concentration of glucose in moles per liter. So therefore we have to, yeah, this concentration equals to the number of moles of glucose divided by the volume. And it in turn equals to the mass of glucose divided by its molar mass and by the volume. So let's look up for the molar mass of glucose. It is 180. So therefore it equals to 35 grams over 180 grams per mole times 0.591 liter. Now we can complete this calculation. It equals to 0.329 molar of glucose. So that's the answer to this problem. I hope I helped you. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye. Oh, sorry, I forgot to do the last part. So we have to choose the closest one. So the closest one would be 0.33 molar. So that's the solution. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.